In this guide, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Play Store on a Firestick and Weaver it still works. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The old method of sideloading Google Play Store APK files is no longer a reliable solution. Fire TV uses the Amazon App Store instead of Google Play, and a Fire TV does not officially support Google services. Even if the Play Store installs, it may fail to open, sign in, download apps, or continue working after an update. Instead, go ahead and go to the Fire TV home screen and then go over to where it says search and search for the app that you're trying to download. On compatible Android-based Fire Sticks though, you can also sideload the individual app. To do this, go ahead and search for Downloader from the list of options right here, and it'll pop up in the Amazon App Store. Make sure you select this first option here. This one isn't the actual downloader. You want to press this one and go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open your settings by going to the menu, going down to Settings, and selecting My Fire TV. You'll see an option here that says Developer Options. Go ahead and select this. Select Install Unknown Apps and make sure it's turned on for Downloader. If you don't see the Install Unknown Apps or the Developer Options, what you need to do is go to your About and hit the center button on your Fire TV remote about 5 times really fast, and then it should pop up here. But once you have that setting turned on, you can go back to the home screen and open Downloader, and once it's open, enter a trusted direct APK address. Apps requiring Google Play services may still not work correctly. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.